In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you fix YouTube not working in Hisense Google TV. If YouTube application isn't working on your Google Hisense TV, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First of all, the compatibility issue. Some smart television models are incompatible with the YouTube TV, such as older Samsung models are incompatible with YouTube TV app as well, and you actually want to check the compatibility as well. The other thing you could do is a weak internet connection. Sometimes it could be your internet, so you could also try restarting your router. That could be able to help you out. Or YouTube may crash or malfunction, causing video to stop or pause frequently. So for that, you can actually clear cache or maybe force stop the application. That should be able to help you out. Now, first of all, what I want you all to do is, in order to fix it, so you want to check the YouTube server status. Now, aside from a TV model, it's essential to check whether YouTube server is up and running. You could do this by visiting a website like DownDetector on your mobile device and check for YouTube and see whether there seems to be any sort of issue or not. The other thing you could also do is check the internet connection. So as mentioned earlier, the network is often the main reason for the YouTube app on the TV not to work. So a slow internet connection or a weak Wi-Fi signal can interfere with the video streaming as well. You actually want to try restarting your router. That could be able to help you out. The other thing you actually want to do is you could also try restarting the YouTube app. First thing is you want to actually completely close the background running application. Along with that, you also want to make sure to close entire background application, or you want to make sure to uninstall some of these applications which is no longer in need. And when you do it so, you want to come to YouTube and go to force stop and make sure to force stop it and restart your device and see that fixes your issue or not. The other thing you could also do is check YouTube time limit. It could be if you try to stream on a fourth device, you'll encounter a playback error and won't be able to access content until another device stops streaming. So you want to make sure whether you have a multiple device or multiple account linked to the device. So you can actually do that as well. The other thing is you go to the software update, check whether your device needs to be updated or not. And so lastly, what you could also do is try restarting your device itself, and that should be able to help you out. So these are a couple of different things you could try in order to fix it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.